And good evening, and thank you so much for joining me this evening. I'm meteorologist Eric Tolman, and thank you so much for joining me this evening on Storms Decoded. Our biggest story this evening is in regards to uh, the significant winter storm that is expected to hit the Midwest. Southeast Michigan gears up for all of us in Southeast Michigan. Be prepared for it, and I do have updates on that as well. I did get confirmation that Southeast Michigan will be expecting the development of snow, and there will be accumulating snow with that. We are expecting up to 3 to 5 inches of snow expected with this storm system that will be impacting the Midwest. And as it gains more strengthening, I am watching that very closely and listening for more developments as we get into uh, closer into the week. And I did check the accuracy for snow development. And for Saturday, I did check the percentage, and we are at 60% accuracy. So I can tell you right now that we're actually in. Actually, the results are turning out very good. Accuracy is at 60% currently right now. And I'm actually checking the hourly forecast for uh, any changes in the forecast. So I am watching that and tracking the time when this storm is expected to hit. And I kind of got a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on here. So it does look like the storm system itself, the timeline for right now that I'm currently looking at, it looks like the storm system itself is going to start at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. I'll kind of get this all situated. I believe this is going to start at 5 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. So I'll kind of get a general idea about the timeline and everything. I'm trying to remember basically what I did look at with the hourly forecast. If I have to, I'll come back live on the air and tell you more about that. But I did look at the hourly forecast and did look at some things here. And we'll go from there. If I'm not mistaken, it will be at 5 a.m. in the morning. We're looking at this snowstorm that will likely be hitting Southeast Michigan and the Great Lakes. So I'll kind of keep an eye on that. I'll relook the hourly forecast again for everybody and give you more detail for sure on the tracking of this, the timing of this. So I'm just giving you a heads up right now. If you're not prepared for the snow to arrive, we've been waiting for this. We've been waiting for a while. So hopefully everyone is prepared for this, for all of this action. So if you're not ready for the snow to arrive, it's coming to town. A lot of areas in the Midwest are going to be impacted. We have one storm system that we had about a day ago or whatever. I was watching that, and we were fairly lucky that first snow system that brought a snowstorm with a lot of wintry precipitation, with heavy snow, wintry mix, and all that. We kind of missed the first round of the chance of seeing snow. All of that stayed further to the south, and it mostly missed a lot of areas in Southeast Michigan and the viewing area. So we were quite lucky with that. But unfortunately, with this next storm system itself, that I'm closely monitoring to see. Right now we're looking at 3 to 5 inches of snow. So I did write down that number for you. 3 to 5 inches of snow is what we're looking at so far. Would not be surprising enough if we see higher amounts of snow, but accurately, we're just looking at I'm sorry, this is, I don't have any of this written down. I'm really sorry. But like I said, for Southeast Michigan and the Great Lakes, so far, I'm not saying that all areas are going to see 3 to 5 inches of snow once this thing hits. All I know is that generally in our metropolitan Detroit area and Southeast Lower Michigan, we'll see 3 to 5 inches of snow. I'm not sure how much snow other areas are going to see in Michigan. on the western part of Michigan. I am looking at snowfall amounts for you guys. So people that live in Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, uh, Lansing, and all that. I'll look and see exactly what's going on for you guys. But for our metropolitan areas and the viewing area, it's 3 to 5 so far. So I'll kind of keep you closely monitored, and I'll give you guys the latest developments as we go into um, the week. So I did look at the 10-day forecast, and I'll have that for you as well. In the next half an hour or so, I'll talk about the 10-day forecast and give you specifics on what's going on. So the only accuracy that I see right now is on Friday. That's actually when the snow is going to be arriving. Snow showers is what we're currently seeing right now, but I'm going to be watching Friday as well. But Saturday is actually going to be the bulk of the energy. That's when the big stuff comes in. That's when the 3 to 5 inches of snow head in here. So I'll actually detail some other stuff. I'm trying to accurately get all of this information put together in one, but if I generally have to, I'll have another blog again. So there'll be a couple of live streams as I get more detailed, updated information. If there's actually a change in snow amounts, I will let you know indefinitely. If there's any change in the weather pattern opposed to what's coming our way, it's going to bring a lot of snow with it. On top of that, there's going to be heavy snow with this. I believe there's going to be a wintry mix with this as well. So there's going to be a lot of stuff happening. This is similar to the other snow, the other winter storm system that came on through that missed us, that stayed further to the south. So it barely touched our neck of the woods. So we are fairly lucky, but this next one that's coming on through, we're not going to miss this next winter storm that's going to impact the Midwest and then hit Southeast Michigan and the Great Lakes. I'll kind of give you accurately areas that are Western Michigan. I will let you know later on in the show what your forecast will be and how much snow that you're actually going to be expected to see, and how much are you guys going to see in the western parts of Michigan. I'll have that part of the story coming up in just a little bit. So it sounds like it's going to be a busy one. Just kind of stay tuned, keep it right here. I'll have more developments as the evening goes on. All the updates that I want are coming into action. So I will probably be on again. Let me see what time it is right now. Let me look. It's currently right now at 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Michigan. So I'll kind of keep you updated on everything. I'll be back on live tonight again with more updates of what's going on. I'm going to tell you as fast as I can, let you know exactly what's going on. I'm going to have all of this stuff written down, and that way I can memorize everything by heart without looking at the script or everything that I've written down. So specifically, things are changing by the minute, so I am going to get all the information for you guys and let you know exactly what's going on, including in the Midwest and stuff. I've been watching the Weather Channel since this morning, so I will be getting more updates. I'm going to actually see other stuff that may be going on that may be coming. But as far as the snow amounts, I will let you know if the 3 to 5 inches that Michigan is going to see. Right now, the only thing I know is 3 to 5 inches for us in Southeast Michigan. Are we going to get more, or are the totals going to add up? Well, I won't know that until we get closer into the week. So let's see. I'm pretty much going to be doing live streaming based on this snowstorm that's going to be impacting us as well. So all I know is 3 to 5 for us in Southeast Michigan so far. So there are question marks here, and that is questions and all that stuff that I'm looking into. So kind of stay tuned for that. A lot of questions, a lot of answers, and all of that stuff in between. So I've got a lot of work to do this evening. So I've got it all here for you. I'll be working on this 24/7. I will have the very latest developments throughout the evening. I think the last uh, live stream will stop at 10 or 10:30. So I'll go ahead and give you the times of when I'm going to be going back on. It's now 7:47. I looked at my Fitbit. 7:47 right now. So I'll be back on at 9 o'clock indefinitely. So we're talking about I'll be doing live stream. I believe that's going to be extended from 9 p.m. until 10 o'clock in the evening tonight. I might have to space it out to where I do a live stream at 9 o'clock and kind of break it up a little bit. It all depends on what's going on. So I'm going to do the live stream at the same time when I find out about the breaking news from this winter severe weather that's still going on right now. So I will be back indefinitely. So stay tuned for more live updates and further developments on this winter storm that I'm tracking. I have it all right here. I'll keep you guys posted. Please stay tuned for the very latest developments, any breaking news updates, you'll be alerted. And then the question mark for that is when it comes to us, what does that mean? There are three things. Winter weather advisory, question mark. Winter storm watch, question mark. Winter storm warning, question mark. So opposed to what happens when it gets closer to us, those are question marks. What will we see? A winter weather advisory, a winter storm watch, a winter storm warning. I'll try and get that information ahead of time, but right now there's a question mark. I'm going to say I don't know specifically. Actually, to be honest with you, I don't really have those details in front of me. I will be in contact with other meteorologists. I'm already in contact with one meteorologist currently right now. So I'm working on those developments, trying to get feedback and have communication back and forth. So I'm working as fast as I can to get everything all put together for you so I can keep this live stream going. So this is not the only live stream that you're going to see on this winter storm. I'll have more developments throughout the evening. Stay tuned for my live stream tonight at 9 o'clock, 10, and possibly 11 p.m. tonight. So if you haven't seen my channel or anything, I've got a lot of live videos, so kind of check it out. But this next one between 9, 10, or 11, it's going to be an extended live stream. So it's going to be longer than the one that I'm currently doing right now. So this will give you enough time to ask me live, it will give you enough time to ask me any questions about what's coming, what kind of updates, statuses, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be in the loop and keep you guys up to date 24/7. So just be prepared, Southeast Michigan, for another winter storm. So be prepared now. I will keep you up to date if there's any changes in the weather pattern. And I'll see you guys again at 9 p.m. tonight. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. Please stay tuned, and I'll have more developments throughout the night. We'll see you at 9 p.m. Thank you for watching for this immediate update. Stay tuned. Sorry about that. I hit the wrong button. Hold on one moment. Sorry about that. We'll see you again at 9 p.m. I apologize.